Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. That is not a stain on my shirt. That is a hole, 2 holes in my shirt. It's just a really old shirt, and we're in quarantine. So, well, not really quarantine anymore, I guess, but you know what I mean. Lots of lounging around the house sort of thing. So today we are going to get into Glossybox. I don't know how much this costs. It'll be on the screen. But I do like this box overall. Generally, I feel like I do. There is a giveaway that is going on right now. It is my 3K giveaway. Just trying to get there. Let's see. But that is linked down below if you are interested. 3 big boxes full of makeup, skincare, hair care, body care. Just a plethora of high-end drugstore. I mean, there's a wide range, medium range, all kinds. So, I mean, there's stuff like Tarte and Too Faced and Fenty Beauty, like stuff like that. So please check that out and subscribe. It costs nothing to you and would mean a lot to me. So let's get into Glossybox. I will tell you, I'm sitting down and recording this after our haunted excursion, the 2-day haunted excursion, and you won't see this until Wednesday, but it was fun. It wasn't very fruitful. We saw some cool things, but the drive was really fun and relaxing, and the stories that were associated with the places that we visited, even though sometimes those places didn't actually like come to fruition or couldn't find them or whatever. But anyway, it was fun. It was fun, and I look forward to editing it to see if I can see anything in the playback. But if not, overall, it was just, I don't know, I found it interesting. And then this coming weekend, we're going back to the castle and doing the same thing around Hocking Hills. And then eventually there will be a 3rd part to the series. We have to do the other half of Ohio. We only was able to attempt 1 half of Ohio. It took 2 days. The other half is probably going to take 2 days. Don't know when that is going to happen, but it will definitely happen sometime before October. Maybe even in October. I don't know. But that would be my limit, is October. It will get, because in the winter time, I don't hardly do anything at all. Okay, so this is what I see. And immediately I have a gift card for $50 off of a watch. I will put the code on the screen if any of you are interested in maybe trying that. Just pause the screen and get the code, and then there are the directions on the back. I don't know why it's coming out so blurry, but I mean, you sign up using the card and it'll probably take you to directions. I don't know why those were showing up so blurry. Anyway, the next thing I'm pulling out is by Velvet, and it is a $25 gift card. Velvet Sunnies for you. Hey, Sunnies? Sunglasses? Okay. Oh, today's lingo. So there is that. And you guys know that I have quite a few pairs of sunglasses. So the code is there if you are interested. And then let's see. Ooh, the box is pretty today. I love using these boxes for my mega loyal subscriber giveaways. That's cool. All right. So it says Aloha. Do I get prices with Glossybox? I don't know. Hopefully I do. We'll see. Yay, prizes! Okay, so you do get a pamphlet, and it does give you the prices on the inside. And then it's just kind of really pretty. So the first thing I am pulling out is this exfoliating dual texture scrubber. That's cool. I will probably just pass this along into one of the giveaways, but this retails for $12. I mean, I just use wash rags. And if I want an exfoliation action, then I use like an exfoliating scrub or whatever. So someone else can get use out of that. Not bad. The next thing I am pulling out is a Hawaiian black salt peel off mask. I will totally keep that. You guys know that I am always down for good masking. It's one of the things I do to relax the most, I think, is take long hot baths with bath bar. What are they called? Wow, brain fart. Not bubble bars, but just like the regular ones that, bath bomb. Bath bomb. Oh my goodness. The peel off black mask retails for $4.29. I don't think that's too bad for a face mask. The next thing I am pulling out is Soothing Hawaii facial oil. Is it safety sealed? It's okay, but I think that I'll pass it along. When I think of Hawaii, I think of coconuts. And so I expected this to smell like coconut. It doesn't. It does have an herbal smell to it, but I'll just pass it along. You guys know my skincare situation. It's a little overwhelming and overflowing. So let's see, that retails for, the full size retails for $39. So I'm assuming that is not the full size. Oh no, that's a deluxe mini. Oh, they started putting that on there. That's cool. So this is a deluxe mini. This was a full size, and this is an extra treat. So that's cool. All right, the next thing I am pulling out is Manoi coconut oil. Ooh, okay. Moisturizes and revitalizes all hair types. We got 2 of those. I am happy for that. My hair needs some treatment bad. It just does. It's a mess. Sorry you had to see that. Let's see. These are deluxe sachets. Sashes? Sachets? What's that? Sachet is a dance move, isn't it? Like a tap dance move. I don't know. Anyway, these retail for, the full size retail for $5.99. Let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is Palm Balm, the Beauty Crop. It's a lip and cheek balm and color. So it's like a rouge, but it's for your lips and your cheeks. This is the full size and it retails for $21. The color I have is Mauve Wave. I'm going to just leave it in the packaging. I'll just pass that along. And the last thing I am pulling out is this Polar Eclat Borel smoothing cream. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to actually. So let's see, Northern Light Smoothing Fluid. In the height of summer, no one wants a dull complexion. This natural face fluid is packed with Siberian olive and I can't pronounce that word, to give you radiant skin together, tighter pores, and a more refined, okay, combining a light fluid texture with a matte finish. You know what? I'll keep it and try it. I'm interested to see what that actually looks like or how that actually performs. That is a deluxe mini, but the full size retails for $22. So that is it. Not a bad box. I'm happy with it. I'm happy to be passing some of this stuff along to somebody, one of you guys. But not bad at all. All right, I hope this took you guys out of your space for a little bit today. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate you guys, I really do. And have a great day or a great week or whatever. Bye.